All right, it's October 7th, 22 days since seed down, and I'm very pleased with what we have going on right here. But there are some areas that got washed out that I explained earlier. So right now, what I'm gonna do is take this here rake and chop in some little holes like this. And that way there's a little pocket in the ground that I'm gonna drop some seed in, and then I'm gonna cover it up. And maybe put some peat moss on top of it. The temperatures right now are quite nice because I don't have to water it at all during the day. I really have to just water once a day, and the ground stays moist. So it's a big plus. It's not going to be any fungus issues from here on out, I don't believe. See, I got roughly about one hole every square inch. I think that'll do just about fine for right now. I think I need to blow these leaves off. I don't like these leaves out here. Okay, now for the grass seed. All right, while I'm out here, I'm gonna break out old Remy and give the front a nice little trim. Hit the ground. See it.
This kind of mixes it up pretty good like that.
All right, I'm gonna finish watering this off. I also threw some Scott's Green Max down because I didn't feel like mixing my own fertilizer, starter fertilizer again. I was only intending to do it on the seeding areas, but I just went ahead and hit the whole area. I don't even know how much I put down. I think it was about 2 pounds of product. So I know that's less than 1 pound of nitrogen per thousand, and it's basically a safe rate. I'm gonna finish watering this in and be done with it. That's good enough. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Appreciate taking the time out of your day. Everyone's busy, so we'll see you later.